Still copying data from one sheet to another? Let me tell you, there's a faster, smarter way. Hey, I am Rishabh, a chartered accountant diving deep into the world of data. And here, I simplify Excel and Power BI for professionals like you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to combine multiple Excel sheets in seconds using Power Query. See, we can simply go to Excel, open a blank workbook like this, drag it here, and zoom it. We just go to Data tab, get data from Excel workbook, and then we browse the workbook. Alright, we hit next, and here are all the sheets. We can select all the sheets that the data we want to combine, and then hit transform data. And it opens the Power Query editor wherein we have data from all the sheets. Now we just click on combine, append queries, and append as new. Since we have more data, we click here, and now we pull on the sheets according to the sequence. So January, February, March, April, and accordingly, we go ahead one by one, and then here is August, September, October, November, December, and we hit OK. What Excel Power Query has done is it has combined all the sheets into one. We can rename this as 2024 sales. We can modify it and change the data type. All seems fine, and then we just have to click close and load, and boom, Power Query will combine all the sheets into one sheet and named it as 2024 sales, and here we have all the data. So a lot of your copy pasting and odd jobs done in seconds. Now there's one more added advantage to it. So if there is a change in data of the main sheet, like it automatically gets updated over here with just one refresh. Let me make a change. Okay, let's pick this January data and the first entry of January, and I'll make changes in the original sheet, and then I'll update that sheet. Let me just go to January, put this data as 2. And I'll go ahead and save this, close. Okay, and then all I have to do is go to data and hit refresh all. It'll pull the updated data from the sheet. Yes, it's that simple. So next time someone asks you to combine a bunch of sheets, you don't need to copy paste it. Show them this video. So no more manual work. Power Query saves time every time. Like this video if this helped, and subscribe for more Excel and Power BI tips. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.